There's still people there. It's diminishing. I think everybody thinks that when they go, they're interviewing the last people. And at a certain point, they really are going to be the last Yiddish speakers there. But I think you get different things as you go later. We're doing the same area that Ansky did when he did his expeditions in 1911, 1912, 1913. And obviously, we know we're not going to get the wealth of information that he got, but we get different types of information. And we learn the experience of Soviet Jewry in the small Shtetl, which is a story that hasn't been told. This is a community that's mostly forgotten about in the historical scholarship. They're forgotten about in the Jewish community. Even when we think of Soviet Jews, we tend to think of the Soviet Jews who are living in the big cities, and those who are living in these small towns and trying to retain some semblance of a Jewish life in the midst of the Soviet Union tend to get forgotten. So I think the project is trying to tell their story and trying to show the diversity of Jewish life that existed in the Soviet Union, but also in the world writ large.